Y'all, do you see this color? Tell me this is not gorgeous. I feel like I am glowing, girl. This chocolate swirl with my chocolate skin, girl.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you and made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throat.
Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little picker, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little picker, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Pop off, get your top off, shouty. Ringleader while you're not off for me. Heat eater, get your rocks off, shouty. Slow it down, let me pop this Bacardi. Smoke some, yeah, my eyes all glazed. Give me my stunners, I'm about to stun in his face. Take off, can't find him on ways. Face off, about to play my game. If you ain't coming with the butt, I'm about to get it off. Fire on deck, you want to puff it, we can get it off. Rapping with the queen and I promise that we can set it off. See no evil, I'm a motherfucking rebel dog. Yo, scared, caught a motherfucking pole out. Sweating all in your all white polo. I'm a boss, get lost, yo, homo. See me on TV, all white, coat out. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little picker, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little picker, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days.
I used to give a fuck, but that was back in the day. And now I can give a fuck less, so fuck what they say. Yeah, they judging me cause they been stuck inside a cage. Just discussing how they rushing just to ride up on the next wave. They flex shit cause their mind isn't safe. We can find it amazing, defined by a face. Drinking up the liquor with a little bit of haze. Rolling up the potion while they take it to the face. Choking on the hope until they lost inside their ways. Yeah, holding on to coping through the darkest of the days. Reaping water soul, I've been digging up the graves. And I've been rolling in the deep just to keep you in your place. Fuck out my face, I slap the taste. Out from your mouth like your tongue's been displaced. Sleeping with the heat, see I'm afflicted in a blaze. Saying I've been killing them and all they embrace.
Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little picker, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little picker, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half-Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit, honey. This one is from Outre. I'm wearing it in the style Halo Stitch Braid 26" in the color DR2 Chocolate Swirl, honey. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get 3 combs. 2 of them come right here on the sides, 1 comes right in the middle, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as this cute removable headband braid that does come with an adjustable strap, so you can adjust it if your head is on the smaller size or on the larger size. So it does come pre-plucked with 13x2 HD lace, honey. And you can see it does come with baby hairs, a hairline. It's looking pretty great, girl. So the density on this unit is definitely on the fuller side. If I had to guess, I want to say it's about 180%. At least 150% for sure. It's definitely full, but it's lightweight on my head. The texture on this one is leaning more towards the yaki side. If I had to guess, it's like a medium hard yaki, if that makes any sense. But it's also kind of soft. So this unit is coming off small and medium head friendly. As far as big head friendly is concerned, I feel like you could have an issue with this one just because it is fitting my head a little bit snug. I did adjust the straps a little bit, but I feel like the cap does not have much stretch to it. So I think if you do have a head that's on the larger side, I would definitely stray on the side of caution with this one. The length on this one, like it says on the card, is 26 inches. I am 5'3", and for me that comes just to my boobs. So this unit is also heat friendly up to 400 degrees if you wanted to go in and add some heat on it. I honestly don't feel like it needed it. Clearly this unit, I liked it so much I had to buy it twice, girl, and I'm happy that I did because I feel like I like the natural color, yes, because I always feel safe on the natural colors, but this chocolate swirl, This is giving me summer vacation vibes, girl. This is gonna be my summer color for sure. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, I have no cons on this unit. Just like I just said, I picked this unit up twice. I thought I was gonna be in love with it, and I'm more in love with it than I thought I was gonna be. My pros on this unit is I really love the versatility. I love the hairline. I like the baby hairs, the density, the texture. Like, I feel like, honestly, I wouldn't think that you would be able to get as many styles out of this because of the fact that it's 13 by 2, and I'm used to either 13 by 4s, 13 by 6, and 13 by 7s, but I feel like you can get the same amount of versatility out of this unit that you can with those other units, as I showed you guys. So I'm absolutely all here for this. I feel like it's definitely worth the price point for the fact that it's just like, girl, it's a look. It seems like it's gonna last me a good amount of time. You can always throw some mousse in this bad boy, some leave-in deep conditioner, and girl, you'll be good to go. You'll be good to go. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up, any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.